Eating well is one of the most powerful ways to maintain energy, support brain function, and keep your body strong as you age. But what exactly does a balanced plate look like for seniors? In today's video, we'll break it all down, step by step, so you can build nutritious, delicious meals that fuel longevity and well-being. Let's get started. Chapter 1. The foundation of a balanced plate. A balanced plate isn't just about eating different foods. It's about proportion, variety, and making sure your body gets all the essential nutrients it needs. Here's the basic formula. Half your plate: vegetables and fruits, rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. 1/4. Lean proteins for muscle strength and cell repair. 1/4. Whole grains for sustained energy. Healthy fats, a small but crucial part of the plate for brain and heart health. Chapter 2. Power-packed vegetables and fruits. Let's start with the most vibrant part of your plate: vegetables and fruits. These foods provide fiber, aiding digestion and preventing constipation; antioxidants, helping reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases; essential vitamins and minerals, supporting immune function and bone health. Try adding a variety of colors to your plate. Some of the best options for seniors include dark leafy greens like spinach and kale, bright berries full of brain-boosting compounds, orange vegetables like carrots and sweet potatoes, rich in vitamin A for eye health. Chapter 3. Protein, the building block of strength. As we age, our bodies need more high-quality protein to preserve muscle mass. Some excellent sources include lean meats like turkey and chicken, fatty fish such as salmon, which is high in omega-3s for brain and heart health; plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, and tofu, which offer fiber and essential nutrients. Aim to include protein in every meal to keep muscles strong and maintain steady energy levels. Chapter 4. The role of whole grains. Carbohydrates are not the enemy. The key is choosing the right kind. Whole grains provide fiber, aiding digestion and keeping you full longer; B vitamins, supporting brain function and energy metabolism. Swap out refined carbs like white bread for whole grains, such as quinoa, brown rice, whole wheat bread, steel-cut oats. Chapter 5. Healthy fats for a sharp mind and strong heart. Healthy fats are essential for cognitive function and cardiovascular health. Some of the best sources include avocados, packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats; nuts and seeds, excellent for snacking and rich in omega-3s; olive oil, a great alternative to butter or margarine; fatty fish like salmon and mackerel for brain health. Chapter 6. Hydration and its importance. Staying hydrated is just as important as eating well. As we age, our thirst signals weaken, making dehydration a common issue. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day and supplement with herbal teas, broth-based soups, water-rich fruits like watermelon and cucumbers. Chapter 7. Smart meal planning and preparation. Making healthy eating easy starts with planning ahead. Here are some tips. Prepare meals in batches and store them in portion-sized containers. Keep healthy snacks on hand, like nuts or yogurt. Balance meals with all the food groups for sustained energy. Chapter 8. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Even with the best intentions, some common pitfalls can sneak in. Be mindful of too much processed food. Stick to fresh, whole ingredients. Skipping protein. Make sure every meal has a good protein source. Eating too little or too much. Listen to your hunger cues. The path to longevity. Eating well is one of the greatest gifts you can give yourself as you age. A balanced plate fuels your body, sharpens your mind, and supports overall well-being. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more life-enhancing health tips.